Abza for ya mama jua mama kwa bebra so mamuni amaudo biso nsamwa ya bobo anu anwumre ye bane ye de babesomo ensabre doso na poso ni Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia de atuja se MPP amanyuko chita for hwe eno manko hwe akom amomuti ampo bibie no no mo a asie e party nim
yewura Justin Kobi Afrimpon so ne central for 18 komobi
na Kennedy ohine Japan mama ni tuaso wa kwanto mu America bonten so na enne dwumedi yekesie bi wapa ho ntomo a eba bebona manye sika ama ode aye campaign na premampeni adwano
yewura kwadwo okere empiani wadin sambi etuja
Mami Frida Prempe so ye minister for France say won ehwe Ghana ye bola nyina so no de atuja se wo ya so bola ye ma na se Zoom Lion for na mesesa ne ntemu a o se ye ko na ye kwetwetwu no maso
owura Allah no kwadwo kire machen akitafo ye wati fedo mantamu o matu anamon bi
ya te se nsu kese bi ato wo BUIPE ne mpotemu anam so makro ne de efa nyina wo horo ko mrase adwani no a wo mpotemu no mo e kasa e defa ho
atran ye hwe apomuden ho nsam so o mo kire se omudi nema bi ebegu akwam se ba ya betima ye adwuma bi
yeri asida ma Universal Natural Clinic o se men kan cho se wuntini no a emu asisie dompe no se buo se afreche se atode afa ho furniture Universal Natural Clinic ya watonsu esli ye bebo nsu mo no mo ye hwe emfa ema mizone 5G no ye gusu aye no mizone de o ye wedding o ye party occasion bia o pe drinks papa no serve amana tiwanimu a mizone ye kanfo de ama na 5G no so ema energy sronko amadwuma bia wo ye bia no watimi aye 3A Herbal Center and 3A co capsules abegwa so a koko no se fifiri wani ase koko ntida bia wani so ye otum koko ntida bia osisi ya wo ya abusuafo nya 3A co capsules a Food and Drugs Authority mpenefo giatum ebodwuma pa and at 21st clinic so wo say ba na siatek ntini no say efiri aye sisie no mo sa oto na se e de kofa aye usire mo no mo e de kosi unankokom efa nantu de kosu nampo so no abusafo se twetwewa enye dua bi na obi abowo ena enye dua bi na wakwa kotia so yade furniture 21st clinic ne ya doctor fo a wo mo ewo nimde wo so ehu no wo mo entu yade na se emfa ema ena yakopon ya domu a memenda edi enemi onabo Kennedy Japan showdown work no eba so wo mo ede atuja se wo pe ho t-shirt ho kopo ene ho che ato a odo ne kire so mpa fm ye fidue ma se yabusafo obenya bi ato wo mo ena ebo echi boy adonti ata ye chi a baby a wo bia na busuafo anwumre yetimi abane ya ba besomo ye de ne nsesa na ya obo malebi aboga anwumre mene
nana kwabena kese
wajenche no nsusu yebetimi ya baba kan wa bra wo kan we social media platforms awodo no enyina so oko Facebook wa ha Sompa 93.1 FM Sompa 93.1 FM na YouTube Sompa TV Ghana Sompa TV Ghana wajenche no nsusu ode bia wono mo a abusafo eguso ye kase na mamo no ye bekenkan ede amamo ye sha kase na se emfamfiri MPP amanyuku no matena ye omona sese omonam ho apaso ye ra alanko jochira maten to a woni MPP amanyuku na to kwanta paye ya wasa ne hwene so akota fere na batwe se empenimfo twom mutan ene betene koye pe he nyade amanyuko no oba mu bio ayaka dia wo mo edina famu no enya ne president a wo pe die nti eni ebekunkum nipa ye ba be papa manfo ani ye be ya manfo yodium e party no ekurase makamenwe wo mo party wo mo forma de se de wakwakwati movement yo like apartheid eno de ba be di president no na busia for Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia kasa SRMPP amanyuko chitafo nyina se hwe no manko hwe akom amo muti ampo enese yedra alanko jochire matia na montuo na wotuo no enya asem bia na esie e party nim omo ehwe se de esie bia no ombekoso aye adwumade ombekoso aka omo abom se yefrukrom ade no mo atutu adamo ama break the 8 no a omo ede atua wo ma no sa prawanam ewe ne dwedwedwedwe no omo timi akwa kubriki and the Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ekotu mpasa Eastern Region Kofodua and an importantemu a edin churchro ya ekoso ya Vice President ye na dwene se woko no akwa kofi na ni coach wisi a na woni ti asantemo de akwa kodi akire ho and this answering to NPP achitafo and MPP domwanim.
I am very happy with what I am seeing and I know that it is possible. I want all of us to keep our eye on the ball. Let us not be distracted. let us stay focused because the MPP will win 2024.
Observe Rame Dani Ranwan Senwa Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bamian Yetene can weigh Ayamra Nene, a permanent Mukofodia, and an enquadro no tumpasa, a fin and Nikoche Visa Runetia Santa Mo, and your Pepe Sejare Bobono, no de Aquacohe Edin Chronwa, about to comments and impeding for a Trono, and a Waslam Pipiachita for, say BNC, BBN one mercy, or more encommum, no more and Shen Conkain, and break the 18 and no more say. One ebeye ho adwuma
abusuan yakoya nimu wo ensamfo from yewura alan KYEREMATEN efri edwoda no eba de ne ho asem no a na obia eka ho asem kwan ye wo fa so a wo free mu ene sade ensam no esi called the Bonkratamu TV so ene radio stations ahodo so na general secretary de ma NPP amanyoko no yewura Justin Kodua Frimpong ene eka sei bra sem trofo enhyemdie ekoso bra na wo kasa na wo trese we no eni kwa so obi ase bia odi opani no atem okwa yema no nkoboko
for years na masre party for se bi opani no mo bia nkasentian mo bia eni natem ono atrase adwere ho ono se bi ofi MPP mu a ejebi wu a ejebi tias MPP NDC ye nyina no edu baby party for penifo bi tini jaye in 2000 obekaya irako for the campaign manager aga kamya kwatwaba ojaye the party phone beat me jaye yura Dr. Rakubo be mu jaye kwatwa mo party NDC for be kai 2012 NDP for be mu nya na so party ntu kona nim kodinkunim the message party for say adwumade ada ye nim 2024 ene si man nya ya dwen koso sebi Ira Chamatana jitum ne kasem se obey asrafo a wo hwe edwadie ho asem no enna MPP abansunti oti one day se one factory buy ene mino kase BW eye kaso Ghana ha Twitter for ye kaso Ghana ha sana hajo for ye kaso ha o hwe resource human resource center be bia si Africa Free Trade secretary to Ghana nyina no adwuma MPP abaye nti asrafo bebri edwuma bebri a party ya ese SAMMY started boldero ene Ghana for ni bi kwa refi se 2017 ye baba na edun so ewo mu na ho chekese a ibi hu bi da no ene inya refi bi nya refi se na sen a ho cheka CRABBE nti inya refi ese me nya adwen koso na edwuma party na ye bohu dero na inya hu se 2024 kansie no enkabo eyebuo eyabotre eyodo eno na bebo ama party na akoye ne ba say bi di ho atem so we ko support alert na woni ewuo na wo so ko we jai ne sa kasetwitwi ne de contributor emboaye
yewura Justin Kodua Frimpong ne nuanom Sompa 98.9 ene di sankomo
na ebusuafo anso ha enu akire na yewura oseche mensa bonso yemra sebegani o wamra sebege fiem e ma de hye wosom yabato mpesua so a odu ani kire mra sebege fiem so wo no ene dom kese o da wunuma no second force so e de so se yewura Alan KYEREMATEN no kre wo se woni amanyoko no to nkwanta wunuma pai wo po amanyoko no amanyoko a wo breye ete ho mpenten kwate ho ahesuo ese na da je ni sika ne bibia de teye no se ne wo so wo kwa wono mo esom ne so wo kama wiase nyina te se dachi bi se bia ye kwa akoda sori yewura Alan KYEREMATEN ye na adwene se wo sa sesa na adwene no waba MPP amanyoko no mu a ono abolo se eche mensa bonso kire se MPP amanyoko na ye krado sombe na wa tu no mo ene na to kese atokasu bom aye adwumaden se be na MPP amanyoko no ebedi nkunim 2024 elections no.
In terms of standing up for the party, when I was a minority leader, the only person who was assisting me, the press conference, the only person who was assisting me in equal measure was the at that time the running mate. Even when he had ceased to be the running mate, say Alan Tonobasia. I consider what he has done very unfortunate. Any repercussions, but that is his own decision. I'm still hoping to be a bit of a retreat in steps back. Yeah, ended before. Let's face it. You can't boom no ground. Going to mean very we still need call Samba like a prodigal son. Also, General.
For noble say chairman Sabunzo Amananso and what you know they so say Yera Alan Kujuchramate so aquati movement stronger than appetite. Yes, he said no de baby president here or senior coupon for some mo. Sierra Alan Kujuchramate create meeting kunim 2024 elections no Ghana Madish ye lazy a boot wamium aqua coton so timidin kunim cra a bad dinner Sierra Alan Kujuchramate na mamuno a becosini wusi pediamano if so confirm Raspiga for ya or do more equa minor and a cobas what run budget ya no the babna sibige few more one woni mra sibige ni bia into one ekwa kwajedia tum dia manuo Ghana mra no susu chire mo pefe se so be di president ya o ministers ne do no a o se hu yi onum e de efrim mra sibige few more no enti se nyame mfa ama yewra Alan Kudwo chire matiti mi di nkunim next year elections ni mu a na mamu okura no e be de ne dia ma no.
And I congratulate on the signing the constitution of the NDC. The founder, the baby officer and Kofubi say him you know magic and to reposition the legacy no Mufi say Omono. And I can do a tin Hokote party now. Wow, these things we have seen, but nobody no parties no more. Alan says he's going to go as an independent candidate. So we are independent as we have to use the lenses of the party more. Or say no assess I don't know what is going to happen. And now let's face it, governance, democracy, no parliament is the bulwark of democracy. This is our budget. What the Baba Parliament? Our Parliament I dare to say the answer into now. Yeah, say MPP. There were only +1 advantage. Caucus no +1. Now say you will be area. Say be binti you say you be too kaya. You see how we struggle in Parliament because you know because one penny. Then also there the toho. And with this. Yeah, your +1 advantage in your struggles out. I said, you need to cry. How are you going to get your budget approved, your loan approved, your agreements approved? Constitution not say president, we should appoint a majority of ministers in Parliament. People now see any and I'll be minister. Party now MP now or the Aqua Parliament too. As also party no near all you are despising the party with free more. Yet you go quite in and that will create a problem for you in terms of governance in the event. Say what we need. How are you going to form government? You can't. It's a non-starter in the first place.
As a fonty way, a honorable say chairman Sabun, so I am Rasbig or one Rasbig Fima this year. Also, I'm your baton Pessia so, or do any chairman Rasbig Fima Dom Cassiano, one or any Dawudmano. Now, I was answering Samuna Kanachi Domhine, Yura Quadrum Pianinso, some draw for a Busan say, dear Yura, Alan Collector-Maten say, baby, a wahuri Aquajano, Papa Wadaroma, who say.
I don't know. I think it's unfortunate for the party as towards like Alan would decide to leave the party at this time, getting very close to general election. It's unfortunate, but it's happened. Unfortunately, I wasn't consulted, but I got to know about it before he came out to give his press conference. There's been problems with the party, except that those of us in the party are trying to behave like ostriches and not seeing what is in the party. I was not too much surprised about what happened because I've been telling colleagues that the way the party is going, if we are not lucky, there's going to be a more serious upheaval in the future. I've had occasion of talking to my colleagues even at the Council of Elders that we must sit up and try to confront the issues in the party. If we pretend that everything is okay, we're going to regret in the future. Unfortunately, some people didn't sort of believe what I was saying, and this is one of the outcomes of what is happening in the party. Action may be due to what happened recently in these party primaries, but those of us in the party who want to know what is happening, who want to see what is happening, will know that or know that all is not well within the party. The administration of the party, unfortunately, she has become some size. I don't know if I will use the word society or a club for a few people within the party. Where decisions are taken by them, I don't know if force is the right word to use. And then all members are supposed to comply with those decisions. People are not able to come out openly to protest, but those of us sitting back, we hear a lot of complaints from members of the party, including even people at the higher echelons of the party.
Kane Chidom here, you Rakwajo, MPNU.
I was afraid Gusua, you Empanu de Najas are young one year warrior Ralanko Jotrematin and Amunto ya what 2 MPP Amanu could much as he said here. I hope pushing as a 2 mass and 2 unum or more your more to send as a and for Musomo bois. One whole poche when Bibi Amanu Kunum. Now, Yera Same CRABBE, Papemba Cassan and so on, and maybe a chamono advice him and the man Pipi Amanu Kuno, Same CRABBE, Same CRABBE, ni dino, Sani a bonwo. Na Yera Same CRABBE na watch say, baby a LANCHEREMATEN, Aquaco Genesis said, dear. You have a catch any so in Yaminko, hey, Yankupon Cano, na only the Nimini chi, non fanunko do, no, the Yadio Beba. One ma a quanoa, 1 man is Quantana, 1 man is on a dear potholes womb, 1 here, a punina or quanim, carnibal cotominum, into no pass. I make CRABBE no dear, Yadu Bedinachi, Yerasa make CRABBE.
I bet that LANCHEREMATEN's what part to see also your person of independence. By Yemubino, if we say party, in some way, yes. And so you bet that party, I saw was in some. We experience in this say BB Asia, not enfound home poor, Fahudim. I'm on for saying, as I CRABBE, there's idea with an enfano. I have focused on the Japan, and I know I don't know the Mudi because when you say, even though I'm farming home, say man Kasa, and my Yenya, that should be the baby. It's a Mikaya. It is a CAC. Near Messi. Can you be a shoulder? Or maybe non independent debut. Say I'm can't and make sure say you better to near me see or more with no more sister. I'll move for say or Mujina Horn one day. Sanya Manai, I'm for complaining about you. The burial only pageant. In Tian, I entrance in some party beer in some room. Some out for it in a bar. Entrance, Nayan shit. Na NCC Sanya Man say a Dachibi and Koye or more officers Siano or Mutu or Moya executives.
Now, for into where your pennies are make CRABBE on yet and can maybe a chemo na or your vice chairman demand people man could have for says a crowd away in any move or also to show down no what the actually din. Now don't know this also say you're Alan KYEREMATEN bufu fuya and into the giant people man you kuno a beboa Kennedy Japan papa a bema showdown no I showdown. I'm a madin kunim.
Oh, I didn't say me as because a positive start because I mean bonfires and me rejoice said and so then person me train said I didn't know who said research by the Brave say will be in your first round. Now I didn't know because second round. The second round Alan votes and he can vote a Cambodia. From your business. It's unfortunately Alan is fortunately positive mind and say yeah of second round yeah can vote na bomu sisi a don't never change nti atnas Alan votes so can vote yeah can bomu me say na me yeah Alan advisory board member responsible for Greater Accra operations the designer the BIA for the Greater Accra operations. About 99% of coordinators for Alan were Greater Accra, and it's being fused together in a very structured way. Into Yakabo, into America, say there will be no second round.
And papa era ayasame CRABBE yobia na chese wiase nyina enim sa LANCHEREMATEN de ye twa ne mfuruma atade se no bellet ye bonata de mu nku a ye de asra no chese Alan de wontini ho jae en wo kire se Alan na moto pi no a awon krapompene mantemo na ne hyene nsa na nsusese de wa manen kwanta ken wo kwa kodi na chi na kwambia so showdown no be showdown mankuni miamba
agitafo bi watifedo mantemu o mo so no mo tan yewura Alan KYEREMATEN atiye pa na omo asemu a omo kasane bransam trofo nhyem de koso e watamale ya opani Moses Moy edman sam trofo nyina eyese yewura Alan Kwadwo Kyerematen ya watu sa na mo no edika na eyade se eha adwen ye pa sese no obi dwan wuo no na obi kwansem nso ayehwam omo so ntimi ntrase din sa bra omo nye amonyosem ne sa yenti ato e de ma Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia.
Kyerematen's presidential candidacy within the MPP are here today to express our profound disappointment in Mr. Kyerematen for what we consider as a significant betrayal. We as concerned, first and foremost, we are individuals who have steadfastly believed in Alan's leadership within the party. I underscore this, within our party, for an extended period of 17 years to be exact. We have diligently worked alongside with him, supporting his campaigns and believing in his potential to lead the new patriotic party, especially in the upcoming 2024 general elections. However, Alan chose to withdraw from the race abruptly, without prior notice, citing isolated incidents of violence in some regions of the country after our special delegate conference. This decision has inflicted unnecessary hardship on us because we firmly believe that the grassroots were firmly behind him. Ladies and gentlemen of the media, we can only describe this action as cowardly. We cannot say he's a coward, but the action is cowardly. And the betrayal of his loyal supporters, including all of us here. The New Patriotic Party is a democratic organization, and we all have the right to support any candidate of our choice during our elections. We are free. As you can see, we chose to go with Alan Kyerematen, and this is what has happened. Today, we think the party first. Not that we love Alan less, but we love MPP more. Our support for Alan was rooted in his MPP membership, not as an individual or as a person, but his membership of the MPP. And we saw that he was very credible, that could pull us through these very trying moments. As we believed he was one of the party's foundation members who could uphold its principles and traditions. However, we were shocked to learn of his resignation for the MPP yesterday.
Eniya etwagu ye etifedo mantamu Alan Kwadwo Kyerematen enwan na ewo ho ana omota na chi na administrator ya wo mu yewura Moses Moy ena yetene kana asem nyina yetiatia kere se yewura Alan Kwadwo Kyerematen ehu ena dina beduru hey
abusia fe no abeka enwa ye ka wo se Sompa 93.1 FM abusia ye nwumre no nsia e ka se na nsa no bia wo bia na eguso a ye de ema monster bia no sa wote enka wo bono any afumantem ne mu a abusiafo ha say Sompa 98.9 FM Sompa 98.9 FM wada manwumre ye kase ne sent na gi bia obono ne afumantem ne mu sa wokobono ismantem ne mu a say ye techima no say ye nkransa say ye kentampo aha so Sompa 90.7 FM Sompa 90.7 FM and our bass antemante mu a say wo mampon say wo figase say wo konongo say wo boase say wo eye enkawie bia wo bia ha so Sompa 93.1 FM so we o TV so a eja yetumire no na ye kiresi so we TV so a ha ye Sompa television wadwenche no nsusu ye nsama ye de bai anase ye boroboro se obetimi e de ato ye social media platforms awodo no nyina so am ya kenkan e de ama Facebook Sompa 93.1 FM and a YouTube ye Sompa TV ye nto aso ye mfam free yera Alan Kwadwo Kyerematen na namuntu nsuo ene mu nsɛm a efiri akyire ba no ho ne mfamo enkonsem fufuru ne mom ɛda so agina MPP amanyuku no mo yɛwura Kennedy Kwame Akompra ko Japan papa ene ni abede pa ene ni bedi nso jankasa me krade wanane a wo chiri o man Ghana ntrio do ene ne ntria saso ene otwe ba wiate wo twatwe nkrante nkwantama mpantwenom ne ade wona nam hono mo a eye campaign ton eye ne ho ede amatu ane ne yesi ahenefo a wo mo MPP amanyuku no so mo mfatumi emma no na abusuafo nano ene America bonte so na sesi wakwa kuduro na okushia boges ne kakra boges no a so hu omo ye adwuma wo America raton safre no si womra no mo kika ne mensie ni omo efili dege no yada ne pa ehun se ba bi o my Ghana ye de ne kire no de si enhia kompre ko a kro no ebeji agu enam so ema wonoma aye fundraising na de ama yewra eye Kennedy Japan ema openia sa fundraising ye course nyina sikajeje ne ade ne nyina ohweso tutu bibia se chairman ayo Penny George Otibonsu na ocheche nsemu sei yentia omo etusa no mo no matuden se Ken kitwa bia nsa na omasa so de number bia to so pese wo susu tua bitumu a ne nyina obobo so de kire yen
politics there you making the people kitwa bia nsa contribution you took my around. Yeah, t-shirts, cars, various items that you have to pay for distribution. We have been doing it. Get your answer. And like a Serbia, the service is your mind. It's your normal Francesa. So I'm doing it here. You're very ready. November 4th. Yeah, but we see how it goes. We are the preferred one. So let's see how it goes. Some more money be back. Na kitwa bi enso ele ka se bi anso na mfamboa mo amusomfo honorable kene do hene Japan na ontime fam koda
Abza fonti weye aye chairman de ma Kennedy Japan ne campaign no ne foto a chese omo jeje kakra dia tumu na obia o sempo na utekwen kasa odi eni so a se 1 cedi kro omo se fabra se 2 cedis ya fabra se 3 4 fabra na ninyina tietia ne botwa na omo emfanta yewra ala yewra Kennedy Japan chi ala ndi ezo afrim omo mfanta eye Kennedy Japan chi na kese showdown no ontimi mo showdown mubu mu nyina nam na bziafo omo ewo kuo bia omo atudin se Ken Ladies Movement Madam Abrefi Obembrefo wono eneda no wono soso ne die ni
CSC ye hwanya otumi ye mayen ye ka ye fa hwema but ye hu se etuma papa na oye no se support no TKLM ya so ye se ye de kakra be support ye duma e san to aso ni se ye be call out ye de ahofe ye de bibia ye ni de be call out akopeska ye de abebo campaign be call companies ye ni individuals be kasa in fact ye de boss be bia ye be come bia marketplaces shops bia ye hu ni bia ye ne be ka no ase no so yi kakra bia ye ndada me ma ye be ka no pre na chiro ndada me kele bia dos e de ho Ghana ye be bia on so esi bia ye kele mo ye ka che delegate de se omo no mo ka bia wo ye sre wo mo mo hwe sika ye be yama wo mo no mo hu se ye yisi kam no mo enne no mo dia e china sa problem na ye ma no bi so no eduma ye eno an na e be san wo but se ye tro aba ne ma ona bo Kennedy Japan wa ye ni otumi ye waka bia papa no sa mo tie o kan o ye obeye ama ye ma so bi so a o mo ntena fie bi mo na eduma ye
Dafonti weye eye Ken Ladies Movement echweditia kan se KLM omo epenimpa mame Abrefi Oben eye brefo ena yetene nken
dwumadie bi akoso ewo epoye mantam no mu na kwawu abatifi dwumadie no ekoso no ekoso ewo Rock City Hotel ensempi ena efri ho ba ebra na nsamtrofo ewo ho nyina ene se samobahwe na mo ahye no nso ene se woni obi a woye oba ana ba ma wie nursing training school pe open na unhuno ofre na cannot be rich wo kwa monone ekodi pa eno na apomden atran no de nsama ya kire se omo de style bi ba style nyina ene se ekwan ya ye nuanom fa so wo kwa monone no obehwe na wasi ano kwan empo sakatua na wasi epagya mu a ye bepagya mu niema ne akade bi wo so mu hiade ye adwuma no aban ne behwe na waye ne saa e de ama wo mu na eye nansa dwumadie na nka wasi ye wura kwaku agyema manu ye wo ye osofo a wɔhwɛ apɔmuden ho nsɛm so na nka wɔ so kɔpi aseɛ nanso so no ɔwesa na no asɛm ɛde sɛ na bɛdi akyire no ano yɛ maame te na gifty na ayele mensa ama ɔno nso kɔsane mu nsɛm a wɔde ma nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ ni.
Several factors that will contribute to the migration of health workers from Ghana. These include low salaries, poor working conditions, and lack of opportunities for professional development. Health workers in Ghana are paid significantly less than their counterparts in developed countries. This is a major disincentive for many of our health workers. Again, we know that working conditions of our health workers are not the best. Health workers are inundated with heavy workload, long hours, and sometimes even lack of resources. These often leads to burnout and job dissatisfaction. Also, many health workers in Ghana feel they have limited opportunities for professional development in the country, hence their decision to migrate. Though it is the right of the individual health professional to migrate, the worry of illegal recruiters who take huge sums of money from the potential Ghanaian migrant who eventually end up of not obtaining the right placement in the destination to practice his or her skill. Mr. Chairman, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, in view of the government's concern about the welfare of the individual migrant.
Ene ya etwagu ye maame tenamensa ode ne osoafo abede akira wohwe apomden ho nsɛm so na enu achi panimpa edema GRNA ye maame perpetua ofori so nsɛm a ode ma nsɛm twerɛfo ni.
I wasn't asking for a policy to stop immigration of nurses or health professionals from Ghana. No. What I'm saying is that when you look at our migration policy as a country, we have a bigger one, but we don't have one specifically for health. And it's important that we have that so that it guides us, it gives us the requisite guidelines as to the training, how, if we want to export, how do we do it? If we add any resources from that kind of exportation or that kind of arrangement, bilateral arrangement, how do we apply that resource to also enhance the training again, the infrastructure, the workforce, and all of that? So that is what I'm looking forward to. That at the end of this two-day discussion, we will all come to some agreement in terms of the way forward on how we actually sustain our workforce, let it help us in our healthcare delivery, in achieving our outcomes, and at the same time, the overspills in terms of those that the economy cannot employ, we see how we can send them out there to be gainfully employed in these high-income earning countries, but gain from that arrangement to help the health sector also.
Ghana Registered Nurses Association panimpa ye maame perpetual for Riampofo ena yete ne nkan ne krakra mukra no wiase nyina ewokuo ya yesi ho ehwe apomde ho nsam so na omai mu wanana musini ya wo ha Dr. Francis Chisaka Kasolo nsam a wode man nsam trofoni.
Ghana is like many African countries and indeed many countries in the globe working towards achieving what we call universal health coverage. This is a concept that entails availability of health services across the country without the population paying money for the service. And so one of the key ingredients in attaining universal health coverage is really having the correct skills mix of health workers. And so if the migration that we are seeing continues and it's not addressed urgently, we are likely not to attain universal health coverage by the 2030 agenda.
Yakoya ni mo ansam from.
Mami Frida akosia prempe no de afutuo koma empenifo mo da ye mansina hodo na no se sekoba se ebia Zoom Lion fo bi se oso mo kosesa bola na omo made ye cheso jemra ne oso mo kosesa no man kwa kosesa entempara so no ye DCs ne ye empenifo hodo no mo we nkrase ne ya papa membo hu nsensem so no omo enresesa Zoom Lion fo no ene wo mo sesa bola no a omo ankwa yi bola mfamfiri wo no ye beti sa sika no de every one ma aketium Mami Frida Prempe minister ohwe Ghana ye bola ho nsensem ya ho ne die nsuonsuwa ho nsensem otumpasa de fa Odo River no so ene mamo bine ne mpotam ko we sane ye nsuonsuwa hodo a wo sa bia no yesi edi ne nifa ene wo srese sane bola agi nsuo no aboso no obesrada se ye mensina hodo na krachefo no enwe so bi bia ye na sede so also koyi bola bi also okofa bola bi a wanko no sa da na kura baba beto so nyina no yentiti mfamfiri da ketuem.
We cannot always sit back for government to look for money to evacuate refuse, to cut refuse, to drill drains, to drag drains to the silt gutters. We have to change our attitude. And this refuse you see behind me, it's under the purview of the Assembly. They have signed contracts with private service providers, and they're supposed to ensure that the private service providers clear and collect the garbage. This garbage is not just 1 day old. I believe it's about 2 days, 2 weeks old. And we should not sit back as an assembly and take excuses from the service providers that my car has broken down, my driver is sick and all that. There should be a provision in the bylaw to send charge them. If they don't if they don't clear the refuse on time, there should be surcharge. We should not find extra money that will be used to build kindergartens for these young people to clear refuse. So the assemblies, yes, as a ministry will collaborate with you. But we want to send the word out there that all these refuse, all these work, like you see, it's under the review of the assembly. I don't think it's just about delayance at the courts because they all have so many issues to deal with. The advocacy is still on. That's the thought of other people. But I believe together as a ministry and as the regional coordinating council and the assemblies, we should be able to put our heads together and ensure that the right things are. If I believe that we have these beautiful bylaws, if we enforce our bylaws,
Observe me Frida Prempe ye swafo show my Ghana ya huni die hun sensem so.
Afiano bia no ya na dwumakuo bebre etaye nhyiamu hwede ye ko ye ne de ankoyie. Na ene da nhyiamu de bia koso judges ahodo na afeso magistrate ahodo ye wo man mu no. Omo de no afiano nhyiamu de no atintem so. Na no na attorney general yewura Godfred ye boa odame wode nsem atoya no wo kire se wo ka kye ne nuanom atemuafo ahodo no se ade bi wo hono mu a ya na omotwe nya dodo se obi akobokro no yese kobra ena nkrata ne yehu ye de kwaham yatu yefo ansa na akoye tenten asamba akwa bi ye kro no bo ho ade no nipa no adamu buru mfisa besa aduanan aduasa aduo no empo ne de keka ho ya de se hadwenti krofa sew na yakoyanim.
And I reflect on cases whose outcomes I personally consider undesirable. Regardless of my own views on the questions being judged in them, can only come to a conclusion that what we have in this country is a fiercely independent judiciary, which all of us should take pride in. That an aggrieved citizen can go to a court of law and challenge anyone, including decisions of the president and parliament, and be confident the court will do a decision without fear of favor. And I will only urge the judiciary to ensure that their processes are devoid of undue delays and other inefficiencies. For a robust legal system and appeal by rule of law goes hand in hand with economic prosperity and bolsters the confidence of the people and deters the perpetration of wrongdoing. A court system in which summary trial of criminal cases can last for more than 5 years militates against the right to a fair trial, defeats the end of justice, and must be looked at again. It is unjust and unfair for so-called high-profile criminal cases involving the summary offenses of fraud, willfully causing financial loss to the state, and money laundering to drag on for years, while similar cases filed against the perceived ordinary members of society are concluded within 6 months to 1 year.
Yewura Godfred Yeboah Dame.
Yadamo eko yape kusogu ne mpotamu bupe ne mpotamu na abza fontetia yetetia nanwumre ne se osukese bi ato ema atwi ediafa yapefa ne se bupe kro ne mu nyina emasie ne mo kase nipa mpempem nipa pinua ena omunya baby mfo mutintuo omo madan so apepa omo nsu atwia fo omo dem chese sise de omo ni tutu aka omo nsem wane senam so ema mrase ageni owo mrase agefie ma desia ewo yape kusogu abaton pesua so yera John Abdullahi Jinapo sise de na no dem osu kamu pa esre ede ama amanfo se sise de National Disaster Management Organization penimfo eho behia so betutu America ede omoni achirepom honomo na se ye gari kura no a se bia gedenum ene chese blanket ene mattress num bokiti ene chese se bia yi kura no munya bia yi friend say ngai ni omo junso mu kuraba no mu nyina so hu wo mo fa bi nko ene friend say chamber port so hu wo mo de bi kwa enke bebo pa yera John Jinapo kire se nsuo no hyase di free kwasi ada no kwasi ada na jo toya na de eche ne juada so esa so ekagu mu na brada ni wuku da ekura no yete ekura no osuo no anim nseda nyefe bia nti wo sresa aban hwe no ama na anyansa we nya MPP ni NDC sembia ni nadbo mpenimfo fire service for a police for HSM mpenimfo nyina ntwo bani mehwe na de hye no na yese di atama ehyepa obupe ene ne mpotemu.
We have written to NADMO because that is the institution established to support victims. And I would have thought that given the enormity of the challenge, at least some officials from the national office visited the place. If not for anything, just to empathize with them. It's also unfortunate. I spoke to the district NADMO coordinator and he indicated that had no relief items and that despite several calls to authorities, that appeared that nothing is happening. Also, the assembly, which is the local government agency that collects taxes from the market and district assembly's common fund, as well as levies from the cement factory and other businesses, have indicated that they've run out of money. And so I've had to personally try my best to use my personal pocket money to provide some little support for some of the people. And so I want to appeal to government and for that matter, NADMO, to take this matter as a matter of urgency and at least provide some relief items to cushion the very difficult situation that the people of Buipe find themselves. I've procured some rice, some oil. You may recall, and I have documentary evidence for you, that the last time there was a similar incident, I personally had to procure 100 bags of rice, 50 cartons of oil, and some cash amounts to support some of the victims. This time around, I'm doing the same thing. That will not be enough, because that is my personal support. That is why we vote people into power. That is why we have a government. Because of some of these difficult situations, that is why government takes taxes from us for social intervention. So I think that government ought to do something.
Observe wa ye mraswe geni o mraswe je fie ma this year wo yape kusogu abato mpesua so o Savannah region mo ne yete ne nka no observe so wo mfoni ya etwegu ye TV ne so a na je se krumu ni nyina o ene nsu etwi ede afamu sa no sese ni pam pim ene nya baby mfomuti ento enti se ye mpatakra no a se dat bo mpanimfo de nchense no mo kwa a ombetima bobo bia ma amanfo nya baby di omuti atoto se mo ne anwa kakra o mo mfa nko gede ye gu kumasi ne egu nkran o mo nsese bi mfa nko doma de hia ewo yape ene ne mpotem ne nyina eye mrase geni o mrase je fiem ede e ma de hia no wo mpotem no mo John Abdullahi Jinapo ene yete ne nka no a na no edem so no akra na atunu butum akototo mo ne anwanom ede akokodoma de hie no observe we de o mu usu ade afre wo mo nsem obie no mo mutimi didie makakraka no o mo srem se saban na enya bi ma wonum a mo soso mo ntwa moni na mo mehwe wonum ejina we suni adai ho na etwasi kakraba ye ba pino aka kire de be pimo so
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma gye no Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebili baby a gise 21st clinic nkwa womu de bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a womu gidi womu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha baby a wo mo ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic wo mo ye sciatica expert
Suma onyamija ai onyamija no beso Omayiri yaw edubuachi onyame akwa ya wieye pray wade tumi ahye ne wo free food for thought adehye nyina ene yankwankwa bi a how done so September Liberty Conference epepaso na bebaso Maranatha Evangelistic Ministries Kumasi Harper Road asemu ayakasa ho ye free asomafo se etieduo no nwochi temumi no ekopem yensa Acts chapter 28 verse 2 to 3 saneso say we burning of arrows part 2 anopano sia pepepepe Brown Kunkru Bejaye, a 30th September, Kumasi Atum, Harper Road. Ajum to Freddy Jumtu, Beji Jumedia Papa, Minister Sete Champo, Yamami Mabel Archery. Any resident worshipper, Minister Kwame Jedu, Wabet Sojom, Ajijumedia Papa, and Trefi, so how be those, Amani Bedaus, or Dan Nebidaus, a really Onyamidi to me, Amani boy, or mine, Yao Edubuachi, Nasadan, or Pronsamso, or Pnaubenga Pa, Esan say, Onyanko Ponga, Jabram Hunich, not soon it is a quafram, or Quadio Quadumam, Cancania or Dan Sebo, Wapay Yachu, Yamema. Edia who fed ye Ebekoye fee Bra Liberty Conference September edition. Oh glory hallelujah.
Sompa FM Yada wase na yama wakwaba akyerɛkyerɛfo ku ahodoɔ pii na ɛwɔ Ghana ha sei baako ɛyɛ CCT NAT na afei nso NAGRAT na ɔmo na ATM egu aban so ɔmo kyerɛ sɛ aban no pɛ sɛ wɔde style bi ba aban no de mafa we de ɔmo ntwe ma aban no kora ɛwɔ saade no so ne nyina kyerɛ sɛ ɛnɛ NAT mpanifoɔ yɛ wɔdwo so wɔ hɔ no mo aho yɛn sɛ ne nua mo anim nie ɔmo ba yɛ ɔmo ma ne nyina yɛ tietia ɔmo ntimi hu sɛ afɛ na aban no de ɔmo bɛkɔ free senior high school ni bio sɛ sɛn o ɔmo twere ho baabi a ntimi ntia sɛ kyerɛ sɛ aban no sɛ wɔde dwumadie bi ɛba yɛ ɛyɛ nteteyɛ na bosomi bia no wɔbɛte obi a 1.5 tie ɔmo asɛm
yɛn mpanifoɔ edi anim yɛde taa ɔmo akyi ade bɔ ɔmo akyi dɔm na biribi ɔmo kɔ pri biribi wɔ aban hɔ no yɛde saa yɛ force na taa ɔmo akyi ama ekunimdie aba ama akyerɛkyerɛfoɔ na nnam hu yɛ ha yɛ dwumadie no asesa ɛne sɛn yɛyɛ ahunu sɛ yɛn mpanifoɔ a edi anim no ɔmo ne aban akɔ krana ɛtɔn atikyafoɔ a wɔ Ghana ɛne sɛn aban ɛde krata aba sɛ ɛda November edi anim yi Checheni bi a wɔ Ghana bia wɔte 150 Ghana cedis through NTC. Chabai. We are Checheni na wɔ Ghana. Aban si wɔte 150 cedis. Adaya. Wɔsi wɔde saa sika no wɔde yɛ akɔ classroom akɔkyɛ adeɛ foforɔ no yabɔn. Saa sɛm wɔ yɛte ase a enye ye. Na deɛ twa yɛn soro mu kura ne sɛ yɛn akyerɛkyerɛfoɔ mpanimfoɔ yɛ NAT mpanimfoɔ NAGRAT mpanimfoɔ CCT mpanimfoɔ atimi akɔgye saa asɛm yɛatom sɛ aban ɛmfa nniɛn na ɔnye sika na ɔmfa yɛn kɔ classroom kɔkyerɛ adeɛ ɛnyɛ deɛ ɛsi adi kan nie mfia mmienu nie aban yɛ saa ɛte Ghana ni teacher ni bia sika so ɔkɔtɔ laptop abrɛ menua ɛbɛsi ne laptop no aba na ɛbɛsi ne laptop ama sika ama enti yɛse mpanimfoɔ se ahunu mprenu enti yɛntena hɔ ama sɛ laptop no ɛkɔyɛ no maayɛ a yɛnsa mɛte yɛ sika foforɔ sɛ yɛde kɔ akɔkyerɛ yɛadeɛ wɔ classroom menua bi asida nansa yɛn TC4 de bɛto dwa sɛ teacherfoɔ nyinaa bɔ mebo anaa adan yɛ teacherfoɔ nyinaa kɔtɔ exams ɔma fɛli wabra na ɛnte saa ɛyɛ ama NTC ayɛ NTC sɛ akyerɛkyerɛfoɔ yɛnim hwee afei deɛ ɔmo sɛ afei na ɔmo bɛkyerɛ adeɛ afei na NTC sɛ wɔbɛkyerɛ teacherfoɔ adeɛ enti na hyɛseɛ koraa no ɔdi ka gye school fees 150 Ghana cedis yɛmpere ansa na no akyire no semester bia waba bɛgyere deɛ ohwɛ letter na yɛde ato dwa no mu a ɛkwan a ɔmo fa so ɔmo bɛwia sika no nyinaa ɛwɔ a November yɛ start
owura nobu kwadwa da akwa ɛna yɛte nka boga ɛyi nanu ada Ghana Premier League ne ɛbɔ wie no player baako wɔ bibia ne Go Stars yɛfɛ no Abedna Gutete we na baso body ban ye man voucher wonko a onko bi mu hwa yesi wonko dentist wonko twire ne se na ne on from mere ya Grace ye ye o ge bi wa ha friend ya Grace ne se fa nyina adwiragu
One family no na. Onu no here dentist. Onu so a onyare kaka ene ama no voucher say.
Yes on go
go dentist. Ebi onu so na ne se ase no.
Oso jabo.
Edio. Azavoye to akase no so mamo. Ya de mo call Dr. Mrs. Beatrice Yafe ADDAI mami one penny kwanche for the Peace and Love Hospital and a breast care international Ghana nyina wono ene dano na busuafo sa akokura me yade ya asa ubodi ni kuro imu a na hu nsema kwa ye pi mami Beatrice Yafe ADDAI de futu kwa ma ye nyina se eduro ho na mum ne nyina ye se beye na ona beye ntie wa ya sabia ene beboa mo matima so ano etu ase de ma na mum trase a manage nsemo a ene ma ekono ebe den
Nansa yina ayare esisayabo economy enti se yewo akwanya se ye ni hospital bia wo mo sa fibia from proton therapy services no ewo wo mo a wo mutimi edi hio kansa yina aharaso a ebin catch there na yebeda radias Ghana hayini sefidie amai bebre na wo wias ma wo ni bi even amaya akwa manu grani wo nyina na wo proton afidie ni bi wo enti se Apollo Hospital alhwemu ani Peace and Love for about the collaboration yaye MOU about kwaya ebitimi na yenso ebenya akwanya ni treat yenso lenkofo with the proton therapy machine here and this just enye Peace and Love kwana enya sa kwanya for Ghana or my Ghana and enya sa kwanya this will be was a problem the friend cancer here to the embassy body she will be this is what this channel this is what ferry so
Observe where Dr. Mrs. Beatrice Yafe ADDAI yetene kan we amra na keso makwakofa fidie ngonwaso bi dia ba beboa ama cancer kokra mokono etibia kontem ama doctor fo hunu ne ntem no matima so ano dia ma wo eno de sansem yetu gana opani ba ko a yesi wono so ye senior consultant wo radiation oncology Apollo Center papa die ni din Dr. Ashu Abhishek
Humans don't understand, health doesn't understand any boundary. We need to collaborate to each other so that first we need to have a capacity building first so that with our experience and technology we help the doctors and the people out here to understand that cancer is the next epidemic, and if it is the right time, if we don't understand it now, 10 years or 5 years down the line it will be very difficult. So if we start understanding the burden of the disease, second, to build upon our capacity to treat these cancer patients, that will make some justice to the healthcare that we are supposed to provide as healthcare providers. And at top of that, any patient who requires any tertiary care, we are there to support them. With this world of, online, we can do virtual platforms, we can talk to people, we can review their
Dr. Ashu Abhishek wa senior consultant wo radiation oncology Apollo Center observe onye Ghana ni broni fita ejise oti ya ayo yesu ofri India kra oti se ne brof na kwa my friend ya na jese onye Ghana ni
dwumadie bi koso ene dai ewo sprinters ya ene wo enkramantamu na panimpa edema let love lead kuo bi a ense abanyase na ne botaye nyina no ene sebe ya obetimi aboa ma nipa setena mu atimi akoyie kakra obia de wo bia no wutimi de boa ompotamu ba bia wo bia no eya ma wo manfo nso enya wo so emfa so panimpa adema ekoyi Big Dawood na woden nsem bebre atodwane ebra nsantwefo nhyam de no koso ewon kramantamu.
Life is crazy now. Maybe the young people or losing and as I'm more Siciano, watch your woman say, on your miss, you just the young people or Zama there, more from Boa. In Tazipiala Miniano, we know you from MMDAS. and mobile trace money in them for that time down a woman chip down in what until you mark someone with the crown crowing on its time too. Put on a bomb and say, go far then find child the model because of you house around the park in every as moment and it's not normal. Still, can have a scratch and ocean and crime. Yes, until honor and the BBS, we are pushing them with the companies institutions.
Equia Fennis LLL, let love lead. And you could answer by a penny quantity for you with Big Dawood and your tenant.
Now, Dr. Steve Mantia, where they are to your so my Ghana, Huna young Hunia Huano Baby Bay in Ano, a said near Ma, Ocherian Poyan Crumpon, the Adomia and Sassia say, and yen Sassia Ninano, yen Hesu ye, ni passo so de or do a mamma yes, so no croi, you who almost so and a can be a mom may, de be a honchri, de be a home papa yenwa, you who know Yahuano.
Ghana ne Cassia. It is a Lagos. Into Nigeria, there are some bumper. About 200 million people. Yeah, 30 million. You see, yeah, Africa's leading producer of gold. Yeah, the 6th largest producer of gold worldwide. And so no gold ye to year in Fioha any trade. Yeah, but Dani on Maya here in Bubro, they find a highly indebted, poor country. As a child say good now or bad the chair no you so share yet it's here my Chinese if we are the four in your own tam at the home chrome good year so na yakopon amfa we no anya so antwe aso osan chair oil kan ho na oil the chair yin anokra wo hwe piak reports na de na enyema nkoyie. And if you suffer, you say, yeah, dear friend, energy transition, it's some global warming. You say, found wood to near the end, and America say, shit. The television and see a toy, and you're gonna hang on, if you suffer, and show you, and in the Sunday Bay, son, ye man of Brassino. You know, ye tree, who if we found wood to
for way a Dr. Steve Mantia, where chairman at the Ghana Extractive Industry Transparency Initiative and no and at Yetin Kane. Yedas Yeriasedema, Universal Natural Clinic, or Semen Cancho said Dumpino, say Mobusa, Frechesa, to the phone for nature of Matana, you know, Monshema. Stroke no so the Ayo Bia, a Sophie of Woman, say Wakadem, Yabusian Fortune, and say Bemawu, and Babe Fauduakwa, Abusian for your come for Universal Natural Clinic, the amount of furniture Honomo. The drube count, the DNA said, dear Cranoa, a big journey, dear free anymore, and which is Yatica, one more a year Juma, and a banner say malaria, nom typhoid, nom hepatitis B, ne, stomach or Sania for Yadia Biano for Nature Universal Natural Clinic and yen show. For your Watonsu Esli, ya baboon sumo homo frey and 020-0158 272 020-0158 272 Mizone 5G Yuguswa Yenom, oh yeah, wedding, oh yeah. Ye party for drink serve woman to him a mizu na 5G no so one ma energy me bia we bia no utimi ye ko nim odo ani kire so mpafie bia obenya bia to na frɛ 0246270221 3A Herbal Center at the 3A cool capsules abedwa so a for Food and Drugs Authority mpanifo agiatum koko no se fifiri wani ase koko ntide bia osisi ya koko ntide bia woni so ye otum koko nti wo yamu atim koko nti bema no ahode no ba na eba fomu a bema ma ne nyanso ma ne ngu na bema de bema tiase a ne kwakudo suru ne kwanse wuo foni ekire pharmacy shop and drugstore biemo na kopetri cool capsules na nom odo ne kire Colinac ne Dani Heba Missy Heba ne apedanke a obenya bia to frɛ 0546 1071 07 0546 1071 07 21st clinic so eba na sciatica intini no a efri eya wotona se e de befa eya wosirem de besi wonankokom e de fa wonantu e de kosi eya wonampo no so no etwetwe pa e medu ba bia na de kwa kosi duabone e bi obi na ato aduro ni ade a enya adutuo e ne nya dua bia na wakwa kotia so e na nya obi na adome wa abuzia e yade e frɛ sciatica na hospital o ma binimu e wo nuro wo mfidi a o mutimi editu ase e 21st clinic kuma so mo ehwa o mo ben Alpha Radio obo ase cancel quarters wo no mo Accra Dome Sunyan Techiman ene eyan kranse nyino mo ho 0540311311 0540 050-311-311 showdown walk no baso memene dey away enemy honorable Kennedy Kwame Akompre kokoti abo Japan ope president edie e MPP amanyu kudu di mu na busanfo ni showdown no baso walk no baso na memene dey say ho t-shirt ne ho che ene ho cup ne ade no empempra wade ni so opebi ato a odura ni kire Sompa TV ene Sompa FM ye premises ya e Kumase Swami a obenya bi ato na so for telephone number ya komo bia o bia no ye no obedi 0278369494 0278369494 kasien wasi mede ni yabo amali bia boga nyumre mene
nana kwabena kese
asidan koma kukua ene ya Grace akosia somua buzi ene mranche de mabawa no mo Sompa FM ene Sompa TV newsroom a wo eta echi do ma ba bia wo bia na itimi baye eba besom esemfo pene ene yewura asante ye bo abene tabusiafo ana masema moneti anya